What is up guys? So andito kami ngayon sa Aura Center BGC. Nalubat yung camera natin nung INBA last week. So bala ko sana gawing part 2 tong video na to. Maga kaming dumating ngayon. Call time namin is 10:30 AM and 8 o'clock pa lang ngayon. And guys, nung nakita nyo ngayon may day ko sa Instagram, sobrang baba ng calls natin ngayon. Naka 700 calls tayo. Talagang yung energy expenditure ko ngayon, pinipreserve ko siya as much as possible. If hindi nyo alam, yung IFBB Pro League and NPC, yun yung pinakamataas na federation ng bodybuilding. Dun yung road to Olympia. And dun yun yung nag-host sa Olympia actually. So, yun din yung sasalian natin ngayon. That's why talagang pinagpreparahan natin ng mabuti. And there is 0 carbs sa katawan ko ngayon. Nag-function ako sa ketones, meaning stored fat sa liver. Yun yung ginagamit natin as energy ngayon. So para kung nag-carb up tayo, magiging muscle glycogen kaagad siya. Dito na kami sa SMX.
Brother,
It's been 1 year po.
Yeah. More. I think it's more.
Masters. Yeah. But I think I'll be the only guy in Good for you.
So, Patrick Tan, one of the legends in
One of the rising legends.
Good luck on it.
Yeah. Good luck.
How about you?
I know you're gonna do it. Natural athletes, you can register already.
Gordon L.
Awesome.
Classic physics. Novice, junior, and men physique.
Yes.
Men physique.
Sir, thank you, sir. Salamat.
Grabe yung ugat mo, sir. Parang may muscle din. Ang lalaban.
Hindi po. Pinayagan na ako magpasok ng camera kasi last week bawal confidential yung drug test. Pero yun, kita nyo guys. See you at the tanning area. Hi, hello.
Inhale, exhale.
Bye po. What is up guys? So, ayun, kakatapos lang ng athletes check-in. Ang natural show, mag-i-start siya 10 AM. So, mauna yung fit model, bikini, classic physique, and men's physique around 12 na siya mag-i-start. Kaya kailangan i-timing natin ng mabuti yung mga meals na gagawin natin bukas. Parang titry ko talaga yung best na mag-function ng mabuti. Offeran tayo ng free chiropractor na massage, ganun. Tapos na-fix din yung posing ko, inayos din nila, and yung mga kailangan ma-release kasi may mga tightness din sa likod ko na naghihinder sa akin from posing. Conditioning wise, ayos naman. Tignan na lang natin bukas once pinasok na natin yung carbs. Yun guys. So ngayon magpapahinga na kami. Ito, sikreto ko guys. Red Label. Spicy. Joke. Tagis tayo bukas guys. What is up guys? So start na nung carb up natin. It is currently 12 AM. We learned from last time. Pag matagal kayo naka-diet guys, pati yung mga gantong simpleng rice cake with peanut butter, maglalasang donut siya, grabe. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, mas mabavalue nyo yung mga simpleng bagay, simpleng pagkain, diba? So takits tayo sa show day guys.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep. You pretend though you don't have to play the hero. You know I'll come running. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army.
What is up guys? So ayun, kakatapos lang ng show natin. Dumiretso tayo, kaagad tayo ng gym nung pagka-uwi. Mas lumobo tayo ngayon kasi syempre nakainom na rin ng tubig, tapos nakakain na rin if nagustuhan niyo yung mga edits and yung mga montage na ginagawa ko, please like and subscribe sa aking channel. Gagawa pa ako ng mga maraming ganun, and see you guys sa next.